What's a career choice today? A career is simply a word used to describe the work and learning you do over your lifetime. The key here is to make decisions that get you where you want to go, to find jobs you love as you build your career. Here are the 5 must-haves in a well-considered career decision today. Passion, the core of each career choice. The thing you're most interested in building a career around, often described as a field by career advisors. Purpose, your motivations and values in regards to the career decisions you make. These help you decide what type of organisations you'd like to work for and with. Place, the environment you work in each day, what it looks and feels like. The place you work should inspire you and be somewhere you look forward to working. People, your tribe, the people who you spend the most time with. Finding your tribe's a great way to surround yourself with people who have similar values, passions and motivations. Performance, the skills you use and the tasks you perform to get the job done. These skills should be something you enjoy doing. Each job's made up of key tasks and responsibilities, and the more you enjoy doing those, the more likely it is you're going to enjoy the work you do each day. Considering these 5 key areas ensures your career decisions cover each core piece of a great career choice. Will help you evaluate any decisions you make from now to the end of your career.